Hello guys, I'm Srithan Rudrangi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic in math to code is perimeter of a square. First, how do we calculate it? First of all, what is a square and what is a perimeter? A square is a flat shape with 4 sides and 4 angles, and each and every side is equal and each and every angle is equal too with 90 degrees. And a perimeter is the outside distance around a closed figure. Look at the diagram below. All sides and angles are equal and all angles are 90 degrees. Each A stands for each side. A, there are 4 A's, and A plus A plus A plus A can equal to the formula, or 4 times A perimeter of a square's formula. Now let's jump into the coding part. We can write a function so we can call it wherever it's required. Let's define a function called perimeter of a square. Def perimeter of square and here goes our colon. So now I'll explain everything. So def is the keyword to write the function. The function takes A as input value. Let's take a variable to store the perimeter calculated value. So perimeter equals A times 4. Now let's print the variable value. Print perimeter of the square is colon and then a comma outside the parentheses so it doesn't print the comma, and then now the variable name, which has the calculated value, perimeter, and another comma, and now we can write the units. I'm assuming it's centimeters. Now let's call the function. Perimeter of square This is how you call a function. And now we need to pass the A value, which is coming from the keyboard. So float input. Now what is the length of your square in centimeters? So now we're done with writing the code. Now let us run the program and see how it is working. The length of our square in centimeters is 5. And the perimeter of the square is 20 centimeters. Yup, the program is correct. And it says 20.0 because we put float, and float, it makes sure it can take decimal point values and integers. But if you put integers, only it will take integers. So that's why it came in a decimal point. Let us run the program again and now enter a decimal point value. So let's enter 2.5. See, now it says perimeter of the square is 10.0 centimeters. So okay guys, this is it. This is my end of the video. I recommend you guys to watch my previous playlist, Learn Python Basics, where I explain the Python basics in detail. I posted the link for that in the comment section below. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. Please stay tuned for my next video. Goodbye!